Okay, this is entitled The Speech. I see you seeing me, glancing because you don't really see me. You look, saying, shame on this black girl. Her head's back and pants saggy, appearing to be happy. Silly girl, wipe your face from that grin. I see your aura's just soaking and seeing, and hell is where you'll spin. I can see straight through you. Too comfortable with yourself, so you're living with no regret, and you stand up for who you are, not who I want you to be. It's sickening. I'm ambiguous, your precise got my heart sickly because my soul's just been begging to depict me. But society's got the world trapped in my mind, which defines my image. And no, you think you can get away with living free? Blissful, your eyes glisten because you listen to your heart, which reminds you to be sincerely faithful to your heart and never fall too deep in the world's art. But I did, and I paint with my eyes. So when I see you, I'm dissatisfied, I'm discouraged, I'm distressed. It used to stress me in the night, work out and sweat, souls burning to be free, body itching in regret. Silly girl, this is enough. You think you're strong because you stand tall after all those stones thrown at you by your parents that formed the war zone? You think you won? I see you're confident. So much it breaks down the bars. I've got confined around my mind. My heart beats faster, pumping this fuel out my eyes, which coincidentally affects these lies that I scream these things, begging for you to believe. Yeah, I look down on you for having the audacity to think that you can achieve anything that you believe, everything that I'm against, but all that I've been dying to be. Strong, confident, and free.
Hello.